I had a treat for you beta people the other day. Well, today I've got a treat for the KTM people, specifically the off-road crowd. That's right, it's the 2025 KTM 300 XCW Factory Edition. This is kind of like one of my dream bikes. I ride an XC, it's got a headlight on it, but the XCW with the PDS suspension is really my jam, my favorite single track bike. This thing looks beautiful. Let's go over everything it's got on it. So it's got the orange frame, obviously, that all the factory editions get. It's got the factory racing frame protection set, the factory racing seat map select switch, the triple clamp, the factory wheel set, a radiator fan, and a skid plate straight out of the box. It's also got a semi-floating front brake disc and a front brake disc guard. It's got the solid rear brake disc for mud. It's got WP Exact Pro components, front forks, and rear brake safety wire, an orange rear brake disc guard, orange super sprock stealth rear sprocket like we see on all of these, Henson outer clutch cover, clutch slave cylinder protection, FMF titanium power core 2.1 silencer, and Dunlop AT82 tires. So absolutely sick. We normally get these editions like this every September, October, normally in a 350. I didn't see a 350 announced today, so maybe somebody can tell me if I'm wrong, but it's really cool that we got the factory edition, something a little different, in the 300 two-stroke. Pretty sweet.